Father's Day. Father's Day celebration with the Jumps.
Happy Father's
Happy
Day.
Father's Day. Hi, Man. Daddy Roy. Happy Father's Day. Ikaw, Happy Tito's Day.
Soon to be. Soon to be.
Sana sino yung kasama mo dyan?
Hi.
Paki-edit na lang.
Nag-washroom.
Washroom lang. At least merong red.
I promise to be the best event organizer for our future family and the best influencer marketeer for our children to be. I promise not to leave your side because we're always going to be on the same side from now on. I promise to be the best father I never had. I promise that our mother's dreams to have a complete family will be achieved through us because we own everything.